hope you guys are doing better than I am in this weather. I am not driving my car. I am driving my dad's truck at the moment. Simply because I wanted to go out and see how all this weather looks. And you know, it's snowing. It's not supposed to be by now. You know, we should have gotten everything last night, but you know, Mother Nature always gives you a surprise. This video is to let you guys know, update you guys on the coilovers. You know, with this weather, I am expecting a delay. Not expecting them to come in, today, or probably not Monday like they're supposed to. But, whenever they come in, I would take it to my buddy Jeff. Like I said, also on the channel, there will be 2 more, other stuff besides the Lexus that will be featured, like the Civic. We're gonna be doing stuff to the Civic. We already ordered some racing seats for it, NRG Innovations. I'm not being paid to say that or anything, so just to let you guys know, unless NRG wants to pay me, and we'll work something out. But that will be featured on the channel. Also, maybe some content for this truck. I'm not sure. I kind of want to do a lift kit, or or at least a leveling kit. Something for this truck. Maybe some bigger aggressive tires. We'll see. A light bar. I'm not sure. But yeah, those 2 things could come up on the channel. So stay tuned. Follow on Instagram, like I already said several times. Also, the 2 gift cards are still up. Whoa. See, that's the bad thing. You got to break ahead of time. But like I said, the 2 gift cards are still up. A $15 gift card when we reach 300 subscribers, and a $500 gift card when we reach a $50 gift card when we reach 500 subscribers. Whoops, sorry about that. But yeah, so you can see it is pretty bad, and the roads haven't been cleared. But like I said, gift cards are still up. Coilovers are going to be delayed. Racing seats will be featured on the channel for the Civic. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. And I hope you guys are having a better day than I am, and I hope you guys have a better day than that I'm having. And who knows how long this is going to last. So I hope you guys, stay safe, stay warm, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. Oh, Jesus, look at that. That's crazy. See, that's why you gotta be safe.